What's up, guys? Welcome to chapter 89 concepts. This was a trade I took last week, and you can see the beautiful results, the beautiful entry. In order to have this kind of results, you have to understand how to combine multiple time frames. That is top-down analysis. What is top-down analysis? It is analyzing the market from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. That is telling the story from the bigger picture to the smaller picture. You understand? So top-down analysis will help you have higher results, higher wins. It will tell you to help you manage your losses. It will show you the blind spots on the charts, because sometimes you might just be trading without knowing maybe where you are targeting as your take profit might have another block before that section, before that part. So with top-down analysis, you'll be able to see all of those things. So you'll be very careful, know when to jump in and when to jump out from a trade. Let's get to business. I'm taking this Gbpcad as a case study. Now, first, I'll go to my higher time frame. Why my higher time frame first? I'm going there to see the general market direction. I'm going there to look for my key levels, my key zones. Yeah, so you can see this trade from the look of this movement. From the look of this movement, this guy is moving from down to up. This guy is trending up. I have higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, just like that. It means this pair has been trending up for some time, although I can see a ranging market here. However, if we should go down to a more smaller time frame, I think we'll be able to make sense out of this part. All right, let's start marking out. Let's start telling the story. Let's start telling the story on this particular guy. Yeah, I have a break of structure to the upside. I have a break of structure to the upside here. All of these are wicks. That's sweep of liquidity. Here it actually broke structure here. So I have the last break of structure to the upside here. Now, this is the low that led to that break of structure. Automatically, this is my market structure shift. You can see price took out. Okay. Price took out this low that led to this last break of structure. Automatically, this is market structure shift. So I'll look for the other block that created that move. This is how me personally analyze the markets. Okay, I'll look for the other block that created that move. This is the other block here. That's the candle before this down push. Yeah, if I draw it perfectly, let me zoom in. Good, better. All right, this is what I have now. A pullback before or after a break of structure is liquidity. Yeah, I have a pullback before this break of structure. I have a pullback after this break of structure. All of these, they are all liquidity. What is liquidity? It's money, okay? This is liquidity too. So price came down, we broke this structure. Price broke this structure, we broke this guy, came down, went back up, came down, went back up to take out this guy, this liquidity. Now it tapped on this other block here. It tapped and started pushing down. Okay, let's continue the story. Pushing down, you see it started creating lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, just like that. Now till it broke a structure, another structure to the downside here. Boom. And that break of structure to the downside. Now it gave us a low here. It gave us a low here. Where is this price reacting from currently? This price is reacting from this other block. There is an other block here. Price is reacting from here. Good. Now we can draw at that other block as well, where price is reacting from. Then I'll have to draw my key zones now. This is my key zone. That is, if price decides to come back up, it will likely get to this my daily key zone. It will get here before considering if it will push further or come back down. That's my daily key zone. Now, if this price decides to push down, although I know it's likely coming to take out this low, but there's another block here. It will likely tap on this guy and give me some reactions. Right? To give me some reactions. What else do I have here? Now I can see price has taken out this low on my daily time frame. It has taken out this low. It means this other block, this push is really strong. Now I can see price has given me an other block here. I'm just trying to tell this story. I'm trying to tell what I can see here. Okay. Now I think I've gotten everything I need on this daily time frame. I'll go to my 4 hours time frame to see if I can get more stories here. On my 4 hours time frame, see, I have another block here. There's another block there. So price is coming to this low, right? But there will be a reaction here. Now this other block, this other block was strong enough to break a structure to the upside and break another structure to the upside. So that's one of the reasons why I will take the other block serious. Apart from that, I'll ignore it. So I have a break of structure to the upside. I have another break of structure to the upside. I have a sweep of liquidity here. It means this guy is really strong. I have a fair value gap here. That's to tell you that zone is something to look out for. A pullback after or before a break of structure is a liquidity. Now I have my liquidity here. I have them here. There are plenty. I think this liquidity has been taken out by this move. Let's see. Here it has been taken out, but let's leave it like this. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to let's see. What am I expecting from price now? I'm expecting price to come down here, touch this my region, this my POI, go to this other block, tap on this other block, come down and tap here. This is what I'm expecting from price. Now let's see what I will see before I join that buy move. I will have to see price come to this POI, push up, take out this low, take out this high, look for another block here, tap on it, tap on this region, then I'll look for something like this here again, like push down, come here. So let me take out this guy so you can see what I'm looking at for. I'm looking at for this movement. I'm looking at for this movement on a smaller time frame. Now price is pushing up after taking out this guy, after liquidating this guy, tapped on this fair value gap. It's pushing up. Let me see if it's possible for me to join this trade even as it's pushing. Let's see. Go to my 1 hour time frame and see what I have there. I have breaker block. This is a breaker block though. This is a breaker block. I'm trying to see if price will respect this guy. Let's see 30 minutes. I see 30 minutes. It's an FVG here. So you don't need to rush. You don't need to rush the market. You need to wait for price to come to you. I think that is what I would suggest we do right now. Let's wait for price to come to this our zone. When price gets to this zone, mitigate that zone, give us our change of character, then we join price to buy. We'll buy into this zone. When we get here, we'll look for more change of character and we'll sell. We'll join the price to sell. Either from here or price can take out this guy and come sell from here. It's all good. We'll just follow price, the price action, we'll just follow it. We don't need to play any magic or any trick here. So we'll just wait for price to do its thing. Yeah, I think this is all I have for this pair, Gbpcad. I will keep monitoring this pair, keep monitoring this setup till it's ripe enough for us to trade. So you can join my Telegram channel. You can check out my page and follow my Telegram channel. So I'll keep updating you guys on different setup, different pairs, and different analysis. For now, that's all. We'll see you in the next one.